Hello everyone, I'm back. If you watched my last video, I put this seat isolation piece or this plate right here on, and I replaced the sticker. So I was looking at the stickers and trying to get a better understanding of the functionality of them, and I looked in the manual and I couldn't find much in regards to them, so I wound up speaking to Bad Boy about it. And so basically what this sticker is here for right here, this is for the damper. So this is these springs right here. So this determines how hard or soft when you use the controls, how they, how hard or soft they are to use. And then this one here, it controls these rods, and these go right to your pumps or your gear, your transmission. So by default, they have them both set to fast, which I'm not going to touch that one. But this one they have set to hard. So what I found when I parked this and, when I first used this mower, is that the controls were a little, I guess, jumpy. I figured it'd just take a getting used to. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to max it out and see if there's a big difference. So I'm going to take this from hard to soft and see if there's a huge difference. So to do that, you got these little springs right here. So you got to unloose these bolts, this bolt and the nut behind it, and then you move it up to the, well, for me, I'm going to put it to the top. You have two of them, and it's a 1/2 inch bolt. So let's get going. I'm going to do that, move it, and then take it outside, although it's in the middle of winter, see if there's a change, and then I'll let you know. Thanks. Okay, so I moved them both to the top. You can see here, over here is at the top, and over here is at the top. This side was a little more difficult because you had the brake cables in the way. So I'm going to stop the video, start her up, and then go outside, ride her a little bit, and see if I notice a difference, and then I'll let you know. Thank you. Okay, so I parked it back in its spot, and I would say yes, it works. The best way I can describe it, where it says hard to soft, I would say the hard would be more jitterish or sensitive, and then the soft would be less. And it's definitely less, I guess, touchy or jittery with this new setting. So again, I'll have to see when I cut the grass, but parking it would, take some time because you have to be real cautious, I guess, backing in. I didn't even try going forward, but I didn't go forward before because it was so hard. So maybe I should try that the next time. But yes, I think it does work. It does soften the controls as far as the sensitivity, and some people may not like that. Some people might. I'm going to try it out and see. But that's it for today. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.